that waterfall and he went down it in 2 seconds.
I almost went down in 2 seconds.
I went to the far right. You guys went to the far left.
Well, I pointed to the right.
Did you? It was a good trail.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I followed you.
Did you? Yeah.
And almost biffed it.
There was that one tricky spot where you don't have momentum.
And I had all front brake locked up, just sliding into it.
Yep.
You know where you're coming down on the trail?
Yeah.
And there was a mud hole at the bottom?
Yep.
I hit it. You know how deep it was?
Huh.
Enough for me to come over and lick the front of my fender.
Oh,
motherfucker, dude, that thing fucking almost stopped me in my track.
freaking stuffed it, huh?
I'm going like, ow! It was a little bit, it wasn't bad.
Don't complain too much because the camera's on.
No, it's not.
No, mine is.
Oh, yours is.
Here's what it is. Hey, if you don't like my whining, you can fuck off and suck 1,000 dicks, motherfucker. Was that too harsh?
Don't hold back.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I guess this one's not suitable for children.
Gonna have to edit that for YouTube.
Sorry.
I don't edit nothing.
This is not the CDC trail.
Take your time lacing up that helmet there.
Oh, okay. You getting
My
some fun?
freaking hands are pumping, dude.
Did you take aspirin this morning?
No.
You should take a couple aspirins, dude.
Really?
Or come over to the house and I'll give you a blood thinner. Take a blood thinner before you.
I thought you were going to say something else. I was like, dude, I don't do that no more, man.
Blood thinner?
That was only when I needed money. Yeah.
$20 is $20, bro.
I had wiener soup for dinner last night.
I'm getting hot already. I got that fucking shirt
I got that t-shirt on underneath. Yeah, I'm ready to take it off.
Wait for it to get wet.
So,
Okay, I'm going to turn this off for a second.